these seat belts underneath there. There's the other one there. Okay, so it's one belt that comes across. But like you said, you could fit 3 people here easily.
Well, 3
Me,
kids
you, and
for
Keith,
sure.
we're gonna
2
try.
adults.
Me, you, and Keith will get in here. So your seatbelt here, seatbelt for the front. But yeah, wow.
What's that? Is that an event? What is
No, it's a. It looks like you could put a cover here. I think some accessories are going to be coming down the line, but the amount of space here that, like, you can go and do a full grocery shopping at Costco. Like, this isn't just a Walmart or No Frills, blah blah's run. This is, you're going to Costco. This is awesome. Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.